Massive news concerning Shiba Inu has recently surfaced when Satoshi Kusama revealed that a whale wallet has more than $2.5 billion worth of Shiba Inu. Therefore, you cannot afford to miss this movie if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any SHIB tokens. What is the most recent news on Shiba Inu, and how will this impact their value? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. I've done a lot of research for this video, so be sure to watch it through to the finish so you don't miss anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's talk about our issue. Shall we examine the chart and observe how the cost of Shiba is moving on November 23rd? Today, a Shiba Inu costs around 2752 units. With $3.2 billion in trading activity during the last 24 hours, SHIB's price has increased by 12%. The token is presently the 12th highest valued cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of more than $16.2 billion. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this article. Let's move on to the video for today. Shiba Inu take the lead, speak out about the Shiba environment strategy. Here are the specifics. In response to increased interest from the Shiba community, Shiba Inu lead Satoshi Kusama recently addressed rumors about the future of Shiba Inu ecosystems. The explanation comes after Kusama previously hinted at a comprehensive marketing strategy meant to elevate the project in the next year. Earlier in the week, Kusama tweeted that the powers that Shib had approved his whole marketing strategy for the remainder of this year and the next year. Within the Shiba Inu society, the news generated a lot of excitement and conjecture, especially in relation to possible advancements for the Shibarium gas token and Bone, one of the ecosystem's essential tokens. In his tweet, Kusama hinted to further information. My whole marketing strategy for the end of this year and the entire next year was finally authorized by the Shib authorities. We will continue to discuss it this week, and then we will woof Shib Army, your favorite exchange, so people can hear the barking. Members of the community expressed excitement and conjecture over this message, with one speculating that Bone would be listed on a major cryptocurrency exchange. The member of the Shiba Inu community said, "I don't want to make any assumptions, but it seems like Bone may be listed on a major exchange. But I could be mistaken." In response to this conjecture, Kusama made a clever comment. Goes ahead and jumps nonetheless, haha. Seeing the troops make snap judgments is very depressing. In addition to Bone, my plan must cover every facet of the Shiba Inu ecosystem that we have been working on, including the Shib, leash, treat, and all of the technology. The explanation for Satoshi Kusama emphasizes how comprehensive the future plans for the Shiba environment are, with the goal of integrating and promoting each of its constituent parts in a unified manner. According to the Shiba Inu's lead response, the evolution of the Shiba Inu ecosystem involves more than one token. With the creation of Shibarium, its Layer 2 blockchain, Shiba Eternity, and growing functionality for Shib, Bone Leash, and the impending treat, the Shiba Inu team has been gradually growing its ecosystem. Additional information is anticipated to be made public shortly, and the Shiba Inu community is anxiously awaiting it. We would much appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you were still viewing. Stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and what the potential may bring for the Shiba Inu token. It's free and goes a long way towards supporting the channel. Shiba Inu lead responds to the whale that has been holding 10k Shib to 2.5 billion since launch. Details of this whale's activities since Shiba Inu's inception were recently made public by Bubble Maps, a monitoring tool that analyzes blockchain data using visual representations. The investor, who first bought Shib in 2020 at its inception phase, has made an incredible $2.5 billion off of $10,000 worth of Ethereum. In an intriguing development, however, despite the enormous profits, the whale has kept his stocks. The entrance point bubble for Shiba Inu in Wales, Shiba Inu, debuted as a fair marketplace cryptocurrency on July 31, 2020, according to Maps. About half of the token supply was in the deployer's wallet in its early stages. On-chain data showed that a wallet address began to accumulate SHIB tokens shortly after. Notably, during August and October 2020, the whale acquired 103 trillion SHIB tokens for merely 3083 M, approximately $10,000 at the time. Remarkably, now that original $10,000 purchase is worth over $2.5 billion, reflecting a staggering 250,000x return. According to Bubble Maps, this was among the finest cryptocurrency investments. These assets reached a high value of $5 billion during the spike in Shiba Inu prices. However, the whale spread his assets over many wallets rather than cashing out. In order to improve security and preserve privacy, wallet separates and hotel culture, this was probably a preventative step. The whale, meantime, started allocating his possessions across 14 different locations in November 2021. This action was taken soon after Shiba Inu fell from its high of 8845 units in late October 2021. The address was first included on Bubble Maps in January 2023. The whale, however, further distributed the riches across 150 wallets soon following the publicity. The purported owner allegedly sent an anonymous message to the surveillance site in September 2023, expressing security concerns. Interestingly, Bubble Maps emphasized that with almost 10% of the entire supply of tokens, this person continues to be one of the most important investors in the SHIB ecosystem. The whale has chosen to hang onto his enormous position in spite of the cryptocurrency market's volatility and the many chances to sell for a profit. Discussions over the identity and intentions of the investor have been sparked by this dedication. A fresh lead, Shiba, answers. Satoshi Kusama, the new main developer for Shiba, reacted cautiously to the disclosure. Kusama stressed that nobody is aware of this whale's identity. For background, several have made claims on the wallets. However, Bubble Maps earlier indicated that Ryoshi Shib's unknown creator could be the owner. Kusama advised the public to be wary of anybody claiming to be an investor until their wallet activity could be verified. The major plot of today's video is about to begin. In one day, about 15 billion Shiba Inu were born. Are whales prepared? Shiba Inu has lately shown signs of losing momentum, with its price struggling to cling onto recent highs. Despite the chain's challenges, the data reveals interesting trends that might indicate a future recovery or further declines. In the last 24 hours, SHIB logged an astounding 14.84 trillion in transaction volumes. Despite its significance, this sum is smaller than the most recent 7-day high of 21-23 trillion SHIB, which was achieved on November 14, 2024. Additionally, the data indicates a notable decrease in whale movement, which historically played a key role in Shiba Inu rallies. The idea that substantial investors are cutting back on their holdings is increased by this drop in notable transaction volumes. This might be a sign of market caution close to the 2,800 unit level, which acted as barrier throughout the asset's most recent rise. SHIB is trying to test the 2,800 unit resistance zone now that it has retraced. If it holds, this level might serve as a springboard for further higher movement. However, a break below it could lead to a more drastic correction and maybe a return to the 2,100 unit support zone. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, indicates a little cooling down from overbought area, which implies reduced purchasing pressure. This is supported by the observed drop in trading volume, which may also be a sign of waning individual investor interest. SHIB could still be involved, but considering the massive transaction volumes and whale movements, there is still a chance for another breakout based on the on-chain activity. She would need to reclaim the 2,500 unit level and continue to rise beyond it in order to attract new institutional and retail investors. SHIB's strategy will depend on tracking whale behavior and critical support levels, even if the situation is currently uncertain. For the time being, cautious optimism is required, even though a jump in volume and enthusiasm might reignite the rally. Because they have faith in the Shiba Inu creators and the true worth of SHIB, many of our subscribers write that they will not sell SHIB for the next 5 years and will instead retain millions of them. What number do you people have? Remember to provide a list of your SHIB assets in the space provided for comments below. We should commend the SHIB holder for having faith in the process. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you find it entertaining. Join the channel by subscribing. Additionally, share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments section. Additionally, be sure to enable post alerts so that you are informed each time we upload a new video.